I think it's 2 grade crossings away. Yep, now one. Here we go, Bubba. Yep, the official train inspector dog. There he is, AJ. Take a bow. He says, I don't want to do this. There's some interesting cars on here. We pass these all on the highway, so I got to take a look at them. It's like there's this mixed freight train, and then a little beer can tanker. Here comes a beer can tanker, and then auto racks. There's the beer can tanker, and all these auto racks. And then it's back to the mixed freight. And this green Pro car is pretty cool. Pro Core or whatever it is. Sound really heavy. If you would only feel the ground vibrating as they go by. There goes Himsy.